it has been fantastic. The experience has been great, both in space and ever since I've come back to this country. I think I have been overwhelmed by the kind of love and support that I've got. And even today, this in this conference, I think people genuinely feel connected to this mission, and I'm really proud of it.
So, what do you have to? What are your observations or experiences there at the ISS that's going to help you in the future ISRO plans, and how is it going to be helpful to you?
So, all of you know that we have a space policy that came out in 2023, which clearly outlines our missions in the future. Mission Gaganyaan, which is sending a human to space and bringing him back safely, and then Bharatiya Antariksh Station, followed by eventually moon landing by 2040. And these are very ambitious and bold dreams. So my mission actually serves as the stepping stone towards this mission. The experience that we have gained by being a part of a human space mission end to end gives us great insights, which we can very effectively put to use for our own missions. And along with that, I think the excitement that it has been able to create is going to inspire a full generation of our future who is coming up and who are going to help us in achieving these missions. So I think in both ways, it is going to be very catalytic, this mission of mine, in achieving our own space journey.
So how do you envision your role in that?
Captain, you mentioned the story of your commander, plus also you mentioned the 1 hour long drive with the kids after you landed back to India. How do you see the future alignment with the young force coming ahead and the space stations and everything around?
Yeah, I think I'm very confident, especially after seeing what I'm seeing. Our future is extremely capable. And as I mentioned, that while I was on orbit, I had the opportunity to speak to them. And they were asking questions, not of what is happening, but how do they become astronauts. So I think that zeal and desire is already there to contribute effectively. The rest is up to us, how we enable it. So I think it is really a golden age for us as far as space exploration is concerned. And I think today they can dream and they can become astronauts in India. That is where we stand today.
A short future question: have you accommodated well on Earth? I'm sure it's a new question, but again.
Yeah, when you come back, especially after when we came back after 20 days, it was slightly difficult to adjust because your body kind of forgets. But there is a proper program, a rehabilitation program that you have to go through, and so you gradually regain, whatever senses, balance of balance, your body physiological parameters, everything is regained in about 7 to 8 days. And obviously this varies with how long have you been up there in space. But your muscle reconditioning and your aerobic conditioning takes some more time for you to come back.
Any future plans to go ahead again?
This is the future plan. A part of my plan that I'm here. The aim is to contribute effectively towards our own program, technically, which we have already started, and also to do this, to spread the story as much as possible, so that kids can listen to the story, get inspired, and pursue their careers in STEM, science, or whichever field they choose to. Because, as I mentioned in my speech there, that space allows effective contribution from all the other disciplines as well.
Shumanshu, as you mentioned about the future programs, so how do you envision your role in that post ISS?
The future programs that India has are essentially the Gaganyaan mission, Bharatiya Antariksh Station, and landing on the moon. And my role is whatever I have gained as an experience as well as technical knowledge through this Axiom 4 mission to be effectively put back into our system, into our missions. And the second goal is also to inspire the generation that is going to follow, so that they are motivated to pursue these careers. Because as I mentioned, that we will need all of them to go where we want to go.
Thank you so much.